TY1 is considered a smart home camera, and it is a camera for indoor use, and you can rely on it to a great extent, because it works with coverage throughout the day, and throughout the night. This camera has full HD technology with 1080p, which means that you will get a high-quality image and video with the panoramic view feature, and provides a 360-degree horizontal field of view, with smart tracking, which provides wide coverage of the field of view. Do not miss anything. An application is available on Android and Apple phones, and I will share it with you in detail. Also in the video I will explain to you how to use the desktop application, so that you can follow the camera from a computer running by Windows, for users who prefer to use desktop applications. I will quickly review with you the specifications and features of the TY1 camera. First, motorized pan and tilt for 360 degrees visual coverage, giving you a wider image area. Thus, it supports tilt and rotation to monitor all angles easily, without the need to install multiple cameras.